and Queens, is Rod King here, and today this isn't going to be really a part of the T-bar install. This is just going to be an update. Um, has some things happen. I'm gonna get into that a little bit. Getting into that here soon. Um, Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you all have a happy New Year. If I don't put another video out by the New Year. All right, let's get into this update. Here we are. Update for my 2008 Yamaha Raider. As you know, we've been doing the bar install. As you can see, I have the bars off. I just want to go over how I did that. I did take off this headlight housing bracket that's on the other side. Took it off, and it's two 19mm bolts that's underneath. Took those two bolts out. Bars came right off. Real simple. Two little bushings that sit up here, rubber mounted bushings that sit up here in a house that sit on top of the triple tree. Make sure those are there. I just need to take the wires out of the old bars and put them into the new bars. But unfortunately, I have to put things on hold. Just had some unfortunate family news on both sides of my family, my side of the family and my wife's side of the family. So I'm just gonna put things on hold so I can take care of family first. You know, Kings and Queens, family always first. You know, so I'm still gonna probably come out here and work on the bike. So when I come back, you may see things already done. But I did want to just go over that. I also know I'm gonna have to order new. Just getting back to the bike. I know I'm gonna have to order new hoses for the brake cable and the clutch cable. Brake hoses and clutch hose. I'm gonna need to get some new I'm gonna need to get some longer throttle cables and throttle cable and pull cable. And that should be about it. Get everything mounted back up and hooked back up, and then we can go from there. But again, just with the bad news that we've had on, you know, just the news we've had on both sides of our family, we just want to, I'm going to take time to be with my family and get things together. So yeah, when I come back again, some of these things may already be done, because I'm not going to really be focused on making videos. I just, you know, it's going to be more of just trying to get it done. So I may be able to hold off. I'm not quite sure just yet. But again, as you can see, the bars are already gone. They're actually laying over there. I just need to, again, pull the cables through. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging this week. Just wanted to be able to let you know something. Then we'll continue doing the modifications when I'm able to get back. Continue the modifications. I do have some more things coming in. I had some grips come in. I had my new grips come in already. I have an exhaust here that I'm going to be putting on as well. So, you know, that's a video coming. Yeah, we're going to be taking some other little parts off and having them powder coated. So, yeah, just stick around. Just, sorry this unfortunate thing happened. So just stick around, stick with the King. Kings and Queens, just stick with us. Stick with me. All right? You all again, hope you all had a Merry Christmas. Hope you all have a very happy and safe New Year. And I'll get back with you. Peace.